everyone, I'm Chelsea from Spacious JOYDELL. Today, let's check out the CAT 336D Excavator. This is a real workhorse on construction site. Just look at this site. It's big, but don't worry, it's also really efficient. First, the engine. It has a 2000 kW engine. That means it's powerful enough to handle tough jobs. The bucket capacity is 40 cubic meters, so it can scoop up a lot of work. Now let's see it in action. Move the controls and the arm goes up and down smoothly. When digging, it can cut through hard ground easily. And loading truck is much also strong power, even when working for a long walk. Look at the tracks. They are wide, so the excavator doesn't sink into soft ground. The cab is spacious and comfortable. Operators can work here for hours without feeling tired. It's also easy to maintain. Parts are easy to access, which saves time. So that's the 336D powerful, efficient, and reliable, perfect for big construction projects. If you want to know more, leave a moment. Thanks for watching. See you next time.